Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall discuss the next problem using the limits of the form 0 cross infinity. So evaluate limit as x tends to 0 tan x into log x. So first we shall write the given. So the given is limit as x tends to 0 tan x into log x. So first we shall check by substituting the limit as x tends to 0. So as we know that tan 0 is nothing but 0, whereas log 0 is nothing but infinity. So therefore this will be of the form 0 cross infinity form. So whenever there is a 0 cross infinity form, we need to convert it into either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form by rearranging this equation and then directly apply the L'Hospital's rule in order to obtain the constant value. So we shall rewrite this given equation. So rewriting the equation. So by rewriting the equation we have that is we need to rewrite this given equation. So rearrange the terms. That is we shall write the limit as x tends to 0 keeping log x as it is. So as we know that tan x is nothing but 1 divided by cot x. So tan x can be represented as 1 divided by cot x. So into 1 divided by cot x. So this will be log x divided by cot x. So now you can check. So tan x is nothing but, so tan 0 is nothing but 0, but 1 divided by 0 is nothing but infinity. Therefore log 0 is nothing but infinity, so this will be infinity by infinity form. So if it is of infinity by infinity form, we cannot apply the limit and we cannot apply the constant value. So our next step is to convert it into a 0 by 0 form. So then now we shall apply the L'Hospital's rule. So using L'Hospital's rule, differentiating numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator, and therefore lastly we have, so we can write it as we have, that is f of x equal to, so we have written, we shall write the rearranged term in the form of f of x. So f of x equal to log x divided by cot x. So first step is to differentiate the numerator and denominator. So differentiation of f of x is f dash of x equal to, so differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 divided by x. Similarly differentiation of cot x is nothing but minus cos x square x. So therefore this will be 1 divided by x divided by minus cos x square x. So therefore 1 divided by x keeping as it is divided by minus, so cos x square x can be written as, so we shall write the cos x square x equal to, it can be represented as 1 divided by sin square x. So minus, keeping minus sign as it is, so 1 divided by sin square x. So therefore 1 divided by x, so this minus sin square x, it goes to the numerator, so it will be minus sin square x. So therefore f dash of x equal to minus sin square x divided by x. So now again check by substituting the limit as x tends to 0. So limit as x tends to 0 minus sin square x divided by x. So you can check that sin 0 is nothing but 0. So we know that sin 0 is nothing but 0, and here x is there. So we have reduced it to 0 by 0 form. So now we shall differentiate once again and then we shall directly apply the constant value. So we shall directly, now we shall differentiate this again. So f dash of x, differentiation of f dash of x equal to f double dash of x equal to, so differentiation of minus sin square x is nothing but minus 2 into sin x, and then differentiation of x is 1. So then it will be 2 into sin x, then sin square x is, differentiation of sin square x is 2 into sin x into differentiation of sin x is nothing but cos x. Then whole divided by x. So differentiation of x, that is a constant term, is 1. So minus 2 into sin x into cos x divided by 1. So now we shall apply the limit as x tends to 0. So because we have obtained the constant value at the denominator, so we shall directly apply the limit as x tends to 0. Minus 2 into sin x into cos x divided by 1. So minus 2 into sin 0 into cos 0 divided by 1. So as we know that sin 0 is nothing but 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 into entire term will be 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So 0 is the required result for the given equation. Thank you friends. For more problems on L Hospital's rule, go to our channel and please subscribe us.